Hello, friends! Welcome to our fun learning video. Today, we are going to name some yummy fruits and learn how to spell them. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is an apple. Can you say it with me? Apple. Apples are red, green, or yellow. They are crunchy and sweet. Now let's spell it together. A P-P-L-E. Apple. Here we have a banana. Say it with me. Banana. Bananas are yellow and soft. Monkeys love them, and so do we. Let's spell it together. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. This is an orange. Can you say it? Orange. Oranges are round and juicy. They are packed with vitamin C. Now spell it with me. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Look at these grapes. Say it with me. Grapes. Grapes can be purple, green, or red. They are sweet and fun to eat. Let's spell it. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Here's a mango. Say it with me. Mango. Mangoes are sweet and juicy, and they are called the king of fruits. Let's spell it together. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Look at this strawberry. Can you say it? Strawberry. Strawberries are red and shaped like little hearts. Let's spell it together. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Wow, you did an amazing job naming all these fruits.